Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'll be doing the unboxing and review of the new Samsung's superfast wireless charger Duo, which supports two devices wirelessly charging in a super fast manner. Definitely not in a crazy blazing 150 watt or something, but at a 15 to 20 watt fast charging, which Samsung supports in its new wireless charger and at Samsung's phone. So I have an S22 Plus, as you all know, and that I'll be demoing with the new Duo charger. I also have a Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, so I'll be doing the two device charge at one time. And so without further delay, let's begin the show. So guys, here we got the parcel from Samsung shop, and here is my primary device, S22 Plus. I have applied this pigeon cover, as you can see. This is a rugged armor cover, and also I have applied a screen protector. See, fingerprint works very nice. And so let's open this. This is the super fast wireless charger from Samsung. Let's keep this aside. So this is it. This is how it looks. This is a Duo one, so you can charge two devices simultaneously. So I also have my Galaxy Watch 4, so which I'll be using with the device. And let's see. So this super fast charging Duo says, and it says other stuffs, and this costs around 5,200 somewhat, but I got it for 3,700 using Samsung corporate. And so many things mentioned on the box, but let's open it. So where is the seal? I think here it is. This has tapes like this, so all right. And here it is, nothing here, so let's keep it aside. This is how it looks, and it's fixed. Yeah, all right. This is how it looks. Here is the fan, USB type C, a charging pad, primary charging pad. It shows an icon for phone and buds, and as you can see here also it shows an icon for watch and buds. So this is a slightly lower wattage fast charging, and this is the actual super fast charging. And I purposely bought it from Samsung itself so that the phone is directly compatible and it can seamlessly charge very fast. Don't go for other fast chargers if your company itself supports. That's the best thing which they can provide for your phone specifically. So this is the new one, 2022 edition. So you can charge two devices. Let's see what else we get in the box. Nothing. Here is the cover, and here is you get some guide and stuff, paperwork. All right, let's keep this aside. You have two LED indicators here. So let's see. Now my S22 is at 89%. Let's connect this and let's check. Give me a minute. So this is the 25 watt fast charger which I'm connecting. Doesn't matter ideally. As you can see, it glued as I connected. So now we can wirelessly charge it. This pigeon cover, I purposely took this cover so that it can have this protection as well as it supports the wireless charging. So let's put the phone. As you can see, red light, fast wireless charging. Let me on just a bit. Oops. Yeah. Wireless charging. As you can see, as I place it, says fast wireless charging, 17 minutes until full charge. It's at around 89% odd. Now let me get my watch also. You can see this is the Watch 4, Galaxy Watch 4, and here is a circle. I don't know if you can see it. Let me show it to you. Yeah, here is the circle, and this is the magnet actually. So if I put this, it charges, and this, it auto aligns at the center. As you can see, if I even remove it, it won't charge. It has that pull of the magnet and it auto aligns and it starts in some time. So as you can see, this is charging now. Here you have a red light, here you have a green light. It's almost like fully charged. This has, as you can see, 100%. So if it's fully charged, you don't need to charge it. So it auto aligns, and then it auto cuts the power. So now it's green, so it won't be putting that extra voltage or extra watt power in that, so that your device is safe. So you can keep these wireless chargers and charge it overnight. You don't need to worry about it at any point of time. You can remove this, and this is charging 16 minutes until full charge, as you can see. So yep, and this is a 15 watt fast charger, and this is what the device supports. But when in a practical, excuse me guys, in a practical scenario, we saw that it charges approximately about 20 watt. So if I keep it here, both are synced, so there is a call on my watch as well. So it charges approximately on an average of 20 watts. So 20 watt is the charging speeds, and this device by itself, wired charging, supports 45 watt, but that will need the 45 watt brick, which is out of stock currently. So I'll be getting that as well in a few days once it comes back in stock. Yeah, that's it for this, guys. This video was a short video about the wireless charger, and I'll be using this as my daily driver now. And for watch, I had already got this charger, so I don't have any buds at this point of time. So probably I'll just keep this aside and use this as my daily driver for both phone and watch. And this would charge overnight for me. It should charge seamlessly. As you can see here, did you see it? So it was initially it sensed the wireless charging and it told some time, but then as it detected that it's the Samsung fast charging and all, it reduced the time. Now it says 16 minutes, but earlier it says approx 22 minutes something, and then it detected and it reduced to 16 minutes. And you also have the option in this somewhere to enable the charging. Give me a minute, it's very hard to see like this. Yeah, so if I go here and search for wireless, so we should be able to get some details. Fast wireless charging, so this is turned on by default. See, so you need this to be turned on, otherwise it won't wirelessly charge in a faster way with this charger as well. So there is one more option for normal chargers. If you have a Qi enabled wireless charger, so this is a fast charging normal option, fast charging option. The super fast charging is for the wired one. Fast wireless charging is for this device specifically with this, and it charges really fast. Maybe if you have another fast charging device, a wireless device like this wireless charger, it might work, but not this efficiently because it is Samsung product, right? And if you have any other wireless charger, then you can do with fast charging. You need to enable this option for that. I don't need to enable it anyway, so that's okay because we have this. So this is a S22 Plus, which I have been using as my daily driver. This is my regular phone, and I'll be doing a review of this, the screen, battery, cameras, build quality. Build quality is gone anyway because of this cover, but yes, of course I'll be doing a full review soon, and stay tuned on my channel for that. And that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Happy wireless charging, and stay tuned. As you can see, 24 went down to 17. Thanks for watching, guys. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you loved it. It's a great product for a beginner point of view. Like I have bought a new phone and it supports wireless charging. This was the first wireless charging phone which I bought. So I went ahead, took this wireless charger. This is the latest 2022 wireless charger, duo version of it, because I have watch as well. And it charges really good. It has great charging speeds. Even if I connect both, it has great charging speeds. And overall, this is around 5,200 approximately price range, but I got it for 3,700 something. So great deal again in the Samsung corporate discount, thanks to Nvidia. So stay tuned guys, and that's it for this video. And definitely I'll be doing a review of the watch. I've already unboxed it and I've been using since around 6-7 months now. So I'll be telling out what all the contents in the box, but I'll be doing a full review of this because I have used it. And stay tuned for that video. Hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. And that's it for this video guys. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys in next week.